Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Hyundai i40. So from any screen, you can either go onto map if you just want to see where you're going and what lies ahead, or onto nav there. Address, we want city here, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantondale, Preston, PR. You've now got to go to numbers, which is 0 to 9 there, 5, and we're PR54, so click on there. We need the road, CHO, and it's defaulted to Chorley Road there. So we'll click Chorley Road, number 200. We've no number, so don't put that in. And then click start. Calculating the route and starting to go.
Route guidance.
That's it, that's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Hyundai i40. So from any screen, you've got a picture of a cog there, settings, into there, Bluetooth, click Bluetooth, view Bluetooth device list, search for Bluetooth devices, external device authorization. So we want Bluetooth device list, click there, and you've got my phone and it's the dustbin next to it. It couldn't be any simpler. Click the bin. Do you really want to delete the selected phone? All data will be lost. Yes. It's that's it, gone. If I view Bluetooth list again, as you can see, there's nothing there. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Hyundai i40. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Then I'll just go from somewhere else. So from any screen, if you click the settings button, the little picture of the cog there, click that, and then we go to Bluetooth, then search for Bluetooth devices. It's looking for a phone now. Search for a maximum of 8 Bluetooth devices, and it's found my phone there. Click on Barry's iPhone, and it's telling me enter 4 zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0, pair. Do you want your contacts and favorites to sync? I don't, but you will. I won't be using the car again. And that's it connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from the Bluetooth audio system in this Hyundai i40. So once it's paired, if you just go to your iTunes here, now I'm going to turn this down, and then we go to media over here. You see at the bottom, Hyundai i40. If for any reason you can't see that, just make sure there's a tick next to it. You just touch that red triangle and the 3 red circles there. So it's showing i40, we'll click play, and then over here we go to media. You may have to press it a couple of times. It's come up blinded by the light there, but it could equally, if you've got something in USB or auxiliary, you'd have to scroll through them. So it's playing here, so I'll turn that up, and then very quickly I'll just give you a blast here to show it's playing, but I can't leave it on too long because of copyright infringements. So there you go, and that's it playing.